What's up, YouTube? Are you looking to maybe mount your television a little higher on the wall? Do you have an outlet maybe down at the 2-foot mark, but you want to hang your television at the 4-foot, 5-foot mark? Are you saying to yourself, I don't want an ugly cord hanging down the wall to plug it into the outlet down here? Are you saying to yourself, hey, I know how to run all those wires. I know how to get the cable up the wall. I know how to do all that stuff. But I'm standing here at the big box store, and I'm saying to myself, wait a minute, how am I gonna cut the hole and then nail in this box without creating a giant drywall repair? Well, we're gonna show you the box to use, and it's coming right up. So I'm going to start the video off by saying, if you're not comfortable running wires, or you're not an electrician, or you're not licensed, or your municipality requires you to pull a permit, don't do this. Call an electrician, okay? We're not telling you to attempt anything you shouldn't be doing. We're assuming that you're well within your rights to do with what you're doing. You're knowledgeable enough to run the wires. We're not showing you how to run the wires, okay? But maybe you're saying to yourself, what kind of box should I use? You know, if you're in a residential setting, how will I attach my box if I cut a hole just big enough for my box to fit in? How am I gonna hammer those nails in? What if your box doesn't fall in between two studs? What do? What if you just need that box to be mounted into your plaster or drywall, but not necessarily attached to a stud? What do you use? I mean, it would be pretty much impossible to fasten this new construction box in this hole. We can't even get it in the hole because of the fasteners. Now, if this wall was open and you wanted to mount this box directly to a stud, this is the box you would want to use. But in a remodeling scenario, or if you're trying to extend an outlet up the wall for, say, a television, you would want to use one of these remodeling type electrical boxes, okay? It has two ears that when you slide the box in and tighten down your screws here, they flip up and then clamp against the drywall or plaster. Pretty nifty. Now, all you would do is you'd mark out your box. Okay? If you want to see the best way to cut, plaster, and lath, we'll link that video here. We'll show you how to cut, plaster, and lath the most effective way, probably one of the cleaner ways to do it. But once your hole is cut to the right dimensions, all you do is you take your old work box. There are different, when you're standing in a big box store, you're looking at all those blue boxes on the shelf. You're going to want to look for the boxes that say old work or remodel box, old work, if you're going to do this type of installation. Once you've cut your hole, after you watch that video, you'll pop your box in, okay? After you've pulled your wires, and if you're going to wire it up, you know, maybe you're just using this box to mount a cuckoo clock that's battery operated. I don't know. All we're teaching you how to do is use the right box for this scenario. So all you do, you cut your hole. If you pull your wire, you would feed it through your box. And then you put your box in its place, and then you tighten down your screws. Snug it up. Boom. Your box is mounted. You want to take a look at the other side here of how it actually clamps onto the wall. You can see those ears flip up, and then they would clamp onto the lath, drywall, or plaster. Pretty nifty, huh?
Comes like an egg.
Yep. If you wanted to know which type of box to use in a small remodel project without creating a ton of drywall or plaster repair, this is your video. And if you like that, smash the like button. If you like our content, like our channel, and like our style, get subscribed. Also, make sure you smash that bell notification, crack it like the Liberty Bell. Let freedom ring like you're on Independence Mall in Philadelphia, because that's where we're from. We're from Philadelphia. Why do you want to smash the bell notification? Because we upload videos daily. We go live at least once a day, and we're constantly doing giveaways. So you're going to want to be notified. All notifications from the very cool guys and the very cool gang. With that, I want to say, if you know somebody that has to do a small remodel project, maybe move the television up the wall or relocate an outlet, and they don't want to create a giant drywall patching project, share this video with them. But as always, thanks a lot. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, yes, this is a simulated wall. It was a simulation, okay? We know. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.